Hello students, welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video we'll be constructing a right triangle from exercise 11.1, seventh question, which says draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are of length 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Uh, let's just draw a rough triangle first. So what it says is we need to construct a right triangle like this, and then it says, so this would be 90 degrees. Then it says right triangle in which the sides other than the hypotenuse, so this will be hypotenuse, the longest side, the side that is opposite the 90 degrees becomes the hypotenuse, are of length 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. We'll take this as 3 centimeters, and this will be 4 centimeters, and this is 90 degrees. Mark this as A, then B and C, and then we need to construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corner. The denominator is less than the numerator, which means we have a bigger triangle to construct. This will be extended this way, and this will also extend this way, and we'll have another triangle forming here, and this will be A dash and C dash. So we'll have to construct A dash B C dash, which is having sides which are 5 by 3 times the sides of triangle ABC. Let's begin by first drawing this line BC, and then we'll construct 90 degrees. So that's 3 centimeters, so we'll construct that first. Okay, so that's 3 centimeters. I'll just mark this thing as C, and this will be B. And now I'll construct 90 degrees. And then I'll take the compass and know whether how to draw 90 degrees. You may refer to the link given in the description box, which will take you to the video where we have learned how to construct 90 degrees. That's 60, and that's 120. Here. Keep it over here. And at the point of intersection, mark it. Draw a line from B through the point of intersection that should give us our 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. We can mark this as 90 degrees here. Then our AB is 4 centimeters. So measure 4 centimeters here on the scale. It's 4 centimeters. Keep it on B and cut an arc on this line. Yeah, that is our, where this arc cuts this line, this will be our A, and from A I'll join A ends to C. That should complete our triangle ABC. There you go. So this is our triangle ABC. After this is done, our next job is to construct the bigger triangle. So we are given, then construct a triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So I'll draw an acute angle to BC this way, and then I'll cut it into 5 parts this way. So I've cut it into 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll name it as B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. And since it is set 5 by 3, so we'll connect 3 to C. There you go. Okay, now we need to draw a line from B5 with to the extension of BC, so parallel to this B3C. What I'll do is I will extend this BC. There you go. Now that I've extended it, let's draw a line that is from PC, so from B5, which is parallel to B3C. So there, let's construct a line that is parallel first. Keep it on B5. And then I'll measure this length of this sector. Keep it over here, and I'll cut this arc. Yeah, and mark the point where the two arcs intersect. Okay. And from B5, passing through this point of intersection, I will draw a line extending up to this BC, extension of this BC. Okay, and I'll mark this as C dash. Now we need to so you see B3C is parallel to B5C dash. We need to construct another line which is parallel to AC, so we need an extension A dash over here. So from C dash to A dash, which should be parallel to CA. Let's draw another parallel line here. From C dash, draw another arc here. Measure this part. From here, I'll draw another arc that intersects this arc like this. Okay. Now I'll mark the point where the two arcs intersect, and from C dash I will draw a line passing through this intersection that will meet the extension of AB somewhere over here. And that line should be parallel to CA or AC. There you go. And that will be our A dash. Okay, so this is what we were asked to construct, this entire triangle, and we have constructed a new triangle A dash B C dash, which is so you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash, and by BPT we get B5 upon B3 is equal to BC dash upon BC. But B5 is 5, B3 is 3, and that is equal to BC dash upon BC. So because the two triangles are similar, we also get BC dash upon BC equal to BE dash upon BA, also equal to CA dash upon CA, and we know BC dash upon BC is 5 upon 3, so that is also equal to BA dash upon BA, also equal to CA dash upon CA, which means that the sides of the new triangle are 5 by 3 times the size of triangle ABC as required uh, in the question. Okay, so that's how we solve or construct this particular type of a triangle. If you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.